Mhm. Ugh, give me a second. What are these songs? Jesus. Okay. Want to work on though. A couple things I didn't respond to yet on YouTube though. What was this one? Do you know how to open the tab at an index? Do I have tabs over here? Oh, I do. Okay, so that's that. I don't need that. We'll do this. Drag that down. And we'll do the same thing here. And we'll drag that down. Do that. Okay. Forgot to switch the screen. My bad. Okay. To select an index. Oop, my bad. I don't even think this is the correct code either. But let's see. Did you just do construct switcher? No, I think it may be common tab actually. Index. Or maybe tab. Let's get the index of 2. Plug that in. So theoretically, this should put us at 2 once we open it. Let's see. Top down. Are we opening it in this? Why is there 2 debug? Okay, so Q. Oh, what's going on here? Oh. Yeah. Okay. So I mean that's pretty easy. So if we press Q, it's already set there. So let's actually switch this to event graph. Switch this to 1. So this should be the middle one. Hit Q. Yeah, and then we're in the middle. Okay, yeah, that's simple. What am I setting focus? Yeah, so it's actually pretty easy. I wish I could send screenshots in this. All right, that's all that question. There was another one that, let's see, it was, I think it's also in the tab video, so maybe I should just open up the tab. That, make sure you then connect. Was it not? Or was it the common UI? Let's see, common UI guide. Let's see. Which one does not have comment by me? There we go. Okay. Question, it seems Unreal focused, forced. Okay, so let me try to connect my controller. Oh. Shit. Oh, give me 1 second. Let me go grab it. And I need to open up ideas, Windows, ideas for Windows, open that. Let's go to input. Which one is this? Oh, okay. Default click. Let's change the face bottom and let's do the top one. That's weird. Hold on. Okay. I don't know why it went to the other one. Oh, no, 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 no. Wrong sound. Otherwise, it's just gonna get copyrighted. So the question was to see if the confirm button could not be the bottom button. So let's go into my player. Let's change this to boom, 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 boom. I'm looking for next, maybe? Common UI, next, okay. So it does stay as the bottom button. Okay. Despite changing it. Go into the settings, common UI. Oh. Also, why is it doing that? Let's go to the next button. Is focusable. Oh, it's because it's a carousel. Okay. Gamepad. Keyboard. Oh, it's because I'm not using my own info. Gee. Alright. Let's open up a different project. The Epic free stuff come out this month yet? I don't think so. I don't remember seeing an announcement yet. Free for the month? Nah, still the other stuff. All right. Okay, so let's go into the input data, go back into the table, to the top button. Let's go into gamepad. Change. Why is it going to page down? Okay. Face button top. And let's see, how do I open up the menu? Oh, just on begin play? What is these things going on? hit play. Is on the first Tuesday of the month. Oh, thanks for letting me know. Actually didn't know that there was a pattern. So the 7th, I'm assuming. Let's see. Yes. No, thanks for letting me know. I actually didn't know that, but at least now I know when to expect it. I hope they give out things that are more than just environment stuff this month. The last few months have been a lot of just environments. Let's just close out that one. It's taking a while to open. There we go. Okay, what was I looking for? I don't think this was the project I was looking for. Got too many. One am I looking for here? Was it this one? Content. I'm looking for the health bar I was working on. But I don't remember what project I put it in, because I was testing something out. I have too many tests. Did this one? Okay, I think it's this one. Okay, RPG, widgets. Wait, there's nothing here. God. Did I lose it? Crap. RPG, widgets, health bar, images. Content. Okay, maybe it's this one. Okay. Widgets, health bar. Nothing here. Shit. I'm looking right at it though. Let's open the 5.4 one then.
I stand out from the rest, no contest. I've been the man, I am him. Only fear God with the fear God I'm in. Been blessed, prayed up, amen. Now I'm getting to this money like a paper route kid. Extra, extra, read all about it. Extra, extra, read all about it. Extra, extra, read all about it.
No, it's not even in there.
Extra, extra, read all about it. I've been the man. You verse me, I know you would never win.
So inside my folder, I have all of these existing, but in the actual project itself, there's nothing here. And this happened to a couple of my projects after I converted them from 5.3 to 5.4. What in the world? All right. Content. I'm gonna just have to redo it, I guess. All right. Shacked all. Let's go ahead and close this. Reopen the 5.4 one. Go ahead and close this one. And then we're gonna grab all the images. Just do character widget. We'll do images. Throw all this in here. Exit actions, edit. And change that to UI. Okay. So I gotta redo it, but nonetheless, we'll get it to work. Common user widget. UI. Character widget. Dun, 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 dun. Let's get a... Do we need an overlay? I'll just do it right now. Actually, I think we probably just need a border because I just need a blank background. So we'll do replace with common border. Just get a verticals top down, right? I think so. Zero. Let's get progress bars. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think. Is that how many we have here? We got experience, health, shield, stamina. What is small bar? It's just like a... I don't know what that is. Okay, here's the image of what I'm trying to create. Let me download that. Okay, so this is what I'm making. But what is this? Oop, go back. Is that like the empty background, I'm assuming? Maybe. Like of it just being blank. Okay. So I'll move that off on the side right now. Okay. Let's just highlight all of these right now, hit the fill button. And let's... I need to set the background of them all. So let's go ahead and rename them. We got shield bar, which I think is the top. Yeah, this one. Shield bar. I can't even spell shield bar. We'll do health bar. What's the yellow one? Stamina. An experience bar. Okay, so now let's get the opacity should just be white. So let's actually hover all this. And I'm gonna change the style background to image. Oh, I didn't highlight all of them, damn it. Image. And we'll also go to fill image to image. Let's go back over here, change that to white. Okay, so that'll adjust all of them. I think the background image is gonna be the same for all of them. It's gonna be, oh wait, health bar has a specific one. So let's do this, background. And then let's go to the health bar. Nope, wrong one. Throw a fill there. Stamina. Wait, that's shield, sorry. This one's stamina. And then this one's experience. Let's fill them all to like 50. How is that 50%? Oh, it's because they are scaled from 0.5. I feel like that looks a little odd. Anyways, let's try to get this to a desired size. Maybe let's do a custom. Leave it at 100. Let's do like 400. It obviously doesn't look too good. Actually, I think all of them have this background. So let's actually just do that instead. And let's make this look a little less weird. Do like 0.8. 0.6, 0.86. Let's do like 0.3. Okay, we got all the bars. We also need to space that out a little because we need to be able to put in this icon here. We haven't put text yet, but we can figure that out. So let's go ahead and let's wrap this with the horizontal box. Let's move this to fill. So it'll fill there. And then let's grab, can we do an image? Huh. Missing outline for the looks. Oh, are you referring to the black? The black's just a background. It's actually, oh wait, no, you mean the, oh, okay, no, I see what you mean. I see what you mean. You talk about like the little space here. Aw. Like padding. But the thing is, I would need to put, so would I have to wrap these in another image or a border? Oh, maybe that's what that other image is for. For each bar, yeah. So what if I wrapped it with another border?
Why do I end up like this?
That.
Waiting by the phone like you'll call me again. I've been down low ever since, and I don't know how long it's been.
Okay, so it looks like it doesn't have any padding towards the end. No, there's an option for the progress bar. Chat, I'm Googling it right now. I'm not sure I understand what you mean. Well, within the style, we got three options. We got the background, we got the fill, and then we have the marquee mode. Thing is, I'm not even sure what that is. Draws box or the other one, and then you get outline. Draws box. Draws border. Oh, if you do rounded box, you get outline. That's for an image. Or not an image, that's for a color. Go back to image here. It's for margins. Yeah, I'm not sure if that's what I'm looking for, though. Okay, hold on. Let me try something else. No, because there's still that gap there. Why? There's that which you were referring to. With and let's exit that out. God, I really don't like this copyright free stuff. That's not what I meant to do. Change the width 1 to 3. Yeah, the thing is, it's only changing here. So I'd have to change this as well. Or not this one. This one. Oof. No, that's gross. Yeah, but it doesn't come out to be the same image that I want. Fixed radius. Oh, yeah, no, I'm just a dumbass. It's fine. So if that's rounded box, that's rounded. So if we did shield bar, stamina bar, experience, bill, experience. Move that up. Okay, so it looks like I do have to increase it a little bit, which is probably what you were saying. Why is there a slight discoloration here, though? Is that my image? No, it's definitely not my image. Also, why is my sound completely gone? Hey. I think background has to be an image. Isn't background an image? Yeah, but the thing is, the moment I do that, now, like... doesn't match up. Hold on. I need that little space in between. Granted, I don't need the black here. This is just like the black background. If this was transparent, it'd probably look a little better. So I'm like, I may not even have to do... Whoa, what's going on here? It's not my image. Okay, let's just try to get things similar sizing. I mean, this is the biggest one. I'm just gonna leave it as is right now. Okay. Let's throw in, what is this, 70 by 70? Do border instead. Yeah, it's obviously a little too big. He said it should be 18. Where did I put my font? I think I had font in another project. I don't want to re-download it if I have it already. Let's see. I just don't remember what project, as usual. I think we have it right here. We migrated in. Also, thanks for the tips on how to do some of this stuff. Appreciate it. I still think what you said still would work, maybe. I think it has to be the rounded box one because you get the outline option. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like the texture gets a little odd. Like it's like partially what I need, but at the same time not. And that's why I keep thinking about it. Because if I do image, texture looks fine. Like, but we have this like weird gap, and that's where I thought maybe I could just do this image as like a border. Because like wrap with border, and then you would do that. This just has to not go left or right. Kind of. I wish I could zoom in further. So what if I also did wrap with border? Did 0, 0. Did that. Okay, now that comes out weird. Not a fan. Can you add the bar on the Marquise image? I did, but so the moment we turn it on is Marquis. This happens. And then you could throw in that. I don't. Yeah, I don't think that's the type of image we're looking for though. So it becomes that. That's pretty cool though, honestly. Anyways, turn that off. The image looks pretty cool when it's like that, but anyways, let's close that out. What if this is drawn as border? What if that's the border and then do nah, that ain't it either. And then as a box. Boom, 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 boom. Put that in there, put that in there. Okay. Let's do this. I don't know why I clicked all of them, to be honest. See if I can put it on the map first. We'll do this. Testing. Oops. Canvas. Drop that down there. character widget. Let's change these values. Then I also need to make sure that when I start the game, you can play. Create widget. Definitely not enough space in between. Also, the image has to be overlapping them, and it's off on the side on its own. But I'll fix that after I figure out how to do this. What if I replace this with an overlay? And then if that filled to the top. I said that and then immediately went into how to fix. Okay. Anyways, back to spacing. Let's. Why does some of them space out more? Okay, let's do this. Let's get rid of, or let's make this 3, 1.5. Okay, what if I get rid of top, bottom? Doesn't look bad, but I think it's still off. Maybe it does need the top. Maybe. Yeah, but then it goes too far and the image isn't covering it. So it can't be 2. Maybe 1.5 is. Yeah, it's a bit better. It doesn't have the gap in between though, but it does look all right. I mean, obviously I lost the sizes of the proportions, but 0.2. I think it's a little too big. Let's see, it's a little below. No, I think that's good. Oh. But the vertical box. I think that's good. Okay. Now let's just fix the font. Which, if we're going here, that was the purpose of this. Migrate. All the auto saving for the millionth time. There we go. Move that in here. And we could also delete this. It's like a dark gray. Change that to 29. I think it's probably a little too big still. What if we... It's not bad. Just needs the black box as a background. Yeah, I'm unsure if he actually wants this black background though. Or if it's meant to just hang and fly like that. I feel like the black box would probably make some sense. Also, the proportion size probably needs to be fixed. It's probably a little too long. I think it kind of looked better longer, but yeah. Actually asking him right now, so. Because then I'm just going to wrap all of this. Or not even wrap. I have it right here. I could literally just do... Oh, that's opacity. Wrong one. Literally do that. And then just do... Oh shit, he did want the black box. All right, you know, you're right, man. What throws me off is that little white dots that I see. Is that part of the image? Huh. Why does it have that? It's like a white blur. Unless that's within the image or the texture. Yeah, it's right there. But I don't see it on this. I'll worry about the actual image later. But it does bother me. Okay. Now I need text. Can I even throw text underneath the progress bar? No. Can I throw it into a border? No. I think it may be better to make these progress bars into like their own widgets so that I can just throw in text under them. Because it'd be too annoying to have to try to do overlays and throwing them up everywhere. Which is also annoying because that kind of means I just have to redo these all over again. Anyways, let's go into here. Can you do progress bars? I don't think so. I don't think that's yeah. We'll do common widget. Progress bar. We'll do a border. Slap that on. Actually, just use the common one. Wait, actually, why do that when I can do this? Copy that. And slap that on. Okay. Let's do that. Custom. Okay. I need text, which I can't throw on there because I would need something else. Could use an overlay. Oh, I didn't mean replace, I meant wrap. And we'll throw a text. Then we'll do boom, boom. Oh, it has to be small though. Can you control padding based? Bar text. So if I did this padding, no. You probably have to grab Hmm. What about... What is it called? Slot. There has to be a way to adjust the padding or the position. Can you... Okay. Mm.
Open my eyes, I slept through the day. Slept through the day, feeling uneasy, I push it away. Push it away. Last night was fun, don't feel like today. Feel like today, let's do it again, let's go on a day.
Let's see.
Tonight I'm gonna take you out and live the dream that we've been talking about. So we can dine and spend up all our nose. Let's forget that we broke. I wanna celebrate and have.
All right. Well, I was looking to see if I could adjust the padding so that no matter what, I could just use the same image or the same progress bar for all progress bars, but I'm gonna have to adjust the padding for like all of them. So, because all text is gonna be different. Well, I guess I only need 2 bars. There would be the shield bar and the health bar. This one just needs to be like... I don't even know. 20? should be in here. But now the text is off. Why is the text off? Makes no damn sense. If you are set to be in the middle, why are you not? Is it because it's smaller than it is? So like, what if I made this smaller, like 10? Okay. So it's coming out to be smaller than that. But that's gonna be impossible to read. I'm gonna increase the size. It's just too small. I'll probably have to talk about that, but I don't think it would just be way too small and impossible to read. For the health bar, I mean, at least it's possible to put text there. We do comment text here. This would be current health. This would be health percentage. Current health would be 7, 6, 1, 3, 4. And then we'll also turn that into health percentage is 56%. Also there. You will be on this side. And then you'll be 10. Oh, my bad. .2. I need to put that back. A little too much. We'll do 5. 35. Okay, that's better. Let's full screen it. That's readable. But it also needs to be... Oh wait, no, it is supposed to be white. I just don't know if I can do the small letters. Or numbers. Because it wants to have like 25 right there, but that would be impossible to read. Because it's already kind of small where it's like... Especially with the font, I feel like I have to kind of squint. But it's readable. Also, I need more black box on the right and the left. So padding for right, left should actually be a little larger. Yeah, that's better. All right, so that leaves the main issue, which is I need to fix the image where it has that like white overline or outline. It's kind of making it look a little bit odd. Also, I think the health bar is slightly smaller. Yeah. Oof. Okay, I think that's better. Maybe because I made it bigger, I could possibly up the text. I don't know. Maybe. No? Okay, it still looks fine. At least I was able to go up one font. It's just the image that's really left. Other than like actually making all of these connect with stats. This is shield bar. Okay. I gotta figure out the image. How it look 100%? Oh, let's see. I still have to expose that so I can fill it up. That's how it looks like 100%. So I made it smaller. I think I liked it better when it was a bit larger. Or thinner, I should say. Maybe I should move the percent a little over. No, now it's like too far, but I kind of like when it's not touching, but then again, looks good. Yeah, thanks. It's just the outline where there's like that white outline that's bothering me. But I think that might be a part of the texture because, oh shit, hold on. Sorry, give me a second. Hey, sorry about that. My fire alarm was going off, so I had to go take care of that. Yeah, man. Appreciate your support. Sorry, just a bit thrown off right now. But yeah, what's the question? I'll do my best to answer if it's within my capability. Otherwise, we can either figure it out or point you in the right direction. This image is bothering me though. Not that one. It's this one. Maybe there is an outline and I just don't see it. What if I was to open it in Paint? Well, why would I just open Paint when I should be doing open Paint? Let's do fill of black. No, there's no white outline. That makes no sense. So I followed your tutorial video on common UI main menu. Works perfectly. Only I'm making my game. Oh. I don't intend to use just keyboard. Trying to think. Only keyboard. Hold on. Let's open up my common UI. So the biggest issue with common UI and keyboard navigation is that it doesn't work as easily. So like, wait, let's go to my main menu. I'm assuming your current problem is if you press play, and I'm using the keyboard right now, but it's not highlighting. But if I hit, oh, I guess select is not working. Hold on. Let's go into input. Boom, keyboard input is enter. I did the key part of the input data table. Now the keys that I binded won't work. Like the UI works fine, but my mouse and yeah, that I'm trying to think. Because it doesn't actually move focus with keyboard like it does with controller. Because common UI doesn't do that. I don't know if I could go over it right now with it. I probably would have to dig around to play around to see what would make it work. I'm trying to think. Because you can navigate these with the keyboard, but you'd probably have to do something like if keyboard has focus, then change the select mode of the button. Let me go into the style of the button. Sorry, I'm like thinking at the same time. I'll look and see button base, normal base here. Why am I doing that when I could just copy and paste? Copy and paste. Okay, hold on. Let's see. UE5 keyboard. Because I know a lot of people have this same issue, and I haven't taken the time to figure it out on my own yet. It's fine if you need to think it through. Is there a way? Oh man, just join the Discord. You don't have to pay for anything. I'll do some research to look into it. I'd probably have to play around to see what works. I know in general, keyboard with common UI is generally just a pain, which is why usually with keyboard, people tend to just go to normal widgets instead of common UI input. But I know that there is a way to do it with common UI. I just have to figure out like what would be the best route for it. But you could just join the Discord. I'll do some research. I'll probably end up putting in a video, but once I find an answer, I'll post about it in the Discord. That's usually the best way to get a response from me eventually. And then I'll clean it up and eventually do a video. This keyboard doesn't properly gain focus like it does with other widgets. Like other inputs, sorry. Let's see. Wonder if you could do like set keyboard focus. I don't think that does anything, does it? No, it doesn't. I think we'd probably have to change something so that it actually registers the inputs of the keyboard, because it doesn't even look like it's registering anything for the keyboard. So I do have it set up here. But let's say I have a back button, which is the backspace. So if I hit quit and I hit back, oh, okay. So it registered that input, but it's not registering the click input. Yeah, no, not a problem. Yeah, I'll keep looking into it. It's just the focus is not going. And therefore, by hitting the enter key, nothing happens. Hmm. Restarting that right now. It's the enter key. Yeah, I actually had somebody ask the questions earlier where they said the default input button for Common UI is always in controllers, like the input down button. So it does seem like there's specific settings that are locked, whether it's for controllers or keyboard. And I mean, locked in the sense that they keep it by default unless you do something specific. So I have to look into that. Is this the right project? Yeah, okay. Anyways, going back into here, back to maps. Yeah, I think turning on that settings was actually not a good thing. Oh no, I meant to restart now. Okay, now that that's restarted, does my back button work again? Yeah, okay. Let's think. What would keyboard need to do? Yeah, we have that set. Just getting in setting, which is fine. It just doesn't. I know there's the settings for keyboard where, you know, there's that like blue outline box. There's a way to disable that. I'm just trying to remember where. Because maybe in that area there could be something useful. Where was it at though? UE5 blueprints. User interface. All right, well, I'm going to continue digging around this, but once I actually find the solution, I'll post about it in the Discord where you'll be able to see it, and then I'll eventually clean it up and make it a video. But I'm going to play around with it a bit, but that's going to be the end of the stream right now. I know I haven't posted any videos in a while. That's because I'm working on like 2 bigger videos, and they're just taking me quite some time. But I will get around to it. But thanks to everybody that stopped by and watched. Appreciate it. And yeah, have a good rest of your day.